Hey guys, it's Faye. Welcome to my lead corner of the YouTube universe. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you're notified each time I post a new video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my hair for a twist out. And as you can see, I already started with the back section and I have one twist down. It's looking nice and juicy, right? Okay, so let's get on with the rest of the hair. So my styling products are the African Pride Moisture Miracle Coiling Cream and the Anjaki's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Coil Gel. I will be doing medium-sized twists, so the sections of the hair are not going to be so big. And you also have to make sure that when you're sectioning your hair, your parts are really clean and smooth and even. Now you don't want to work with dry hair, so I'm going to be spritzing my hair with warm water. So this is the coiling cream. As you can see, the consistency is really creamy, though it's not so thick, but it's not watery either, and it has enough slip. It's not much slip, but then enough. It's not the best detangler out there, but then you can detangle your hair with it. So I'm going to be applying it to this section of hair, making sure it is evenly spread and massaged into the hair. I'm also going to be finger detangling my hair at the same time. After applying my curling cream, I am going to layer my curling gel, making sure it is spread and massaged evenly through my hair. So a very important step in this whole process is making sure your hair is properly detangled, as this affects the outcome when you're taking down the twist. As you can see, the gel, it's not so sticky, neither is it stiff, so it's going to give like a medium hold for the curls. You can see that after applying the gel, the hair starts to clump more and the curls show a little bit better. After ensuring that my hair is properly detangled and there are no kinks, no knots, no tangles, I'll twist the section all the way to the end, and just before the tips, I will just twirl the hair around my finger just to achieve a curl, and that helps with the appearance of the hair when you take it down. So I'll just repeat the same steps one more time, sectioning the hair properly, making sure the parts are clean and even. And then once I'm sure that my pattern is set, I am going to tuck that section of hair away. And secure it with a clip, just like this. So same as before, I'll apply my curling cream. And if you notice, it's not like an absurd amount of cream I use, just enough to coat every strand of hair. Massage it into the hair and make sure it is evenly spread. Making sure you focus on the ends of your hair because they are drier than any other part. After which I will layer with the curling gel, making sure it is properly detangled. And that is also the size of the curling gel that I used. Not too much either, because you don't want product overload, build up, whichever one applies. Once I'm done twisting to the end of the section, I will just twirl it around my fingers. Sorry for the excess twirling, it's just an impulsive action. Anyway guys, I'll just speed through the rest of the video. So guys, this is just added information and some advice. So you have to make sure you pay attention, extra attention to the ends of your hair by adding enough products to the ends of your hair, because they're the oldest part of your hair. They are drier, so you have to give them tender, loving care. Also, you layer your gel after your curling cream, as we've been doing from the beginning. But you have to admit that curl right there, popping. So at this point of the video, I already started detangling my hair with a comb rather than finger detangling as I was doing before. Now when you're separating your hair to twist, make sure it is equal, both in size, the width to density, thickness, whichever one, and also the length, so that when you get to the ends of the hair, you don't borrow from another part, because that's going to disrupt the curl pattern when you're taking down your twist. Okay guys, this is basically the end of the video. I'll be uploading another video to show you the takedown process, but before then, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you're notified each time I post a new video. Alright guys, let me give you a quick 360, almost 360. Thanks, bye guys.